So, here's a nice frame of brood. This is actually a frame that we gave this hive when we split them, but the queen is already backfilling with eggs. Down in this area I see a bunch of eggs. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not.
It's not picking up the eggs, but it's picking up everything else.
So, I'll look around for the queen real quick. It looks like they're filling this up with nectar. It was a brood frame, but they're backfilling it. Hopefully here soon they start producing a lot of wax. Queens laid a few eggs on this side.
Her next frame looks to be empty. Well, it's got wax, but...
I would say it was probably a drawn comb we gave them. So with any luck, she's backfilled it.
You might want to smoke a little.
My cigarettes are put up right now.
He's not a comedian, folks.
I like the black frames a lot better for sure. Are they getting flighty around you?
They're getting stingy.
I'm sorry.
I think I see the queen. Right in the middle of the frame.
It ain't another drone, is it?
Shh. No, because it's got a long butt, not a big butt.
Which one?
I don't know now. That was a minute ago. She was in there somewhere. I said I think.
This ground's uneven. They're still preparing this frame. She's on here, I'm overlooking her.
Well, it might not have been her. You know what I just realized? I'm literally standing right in front of this hive. This entrance.
That's probably why they're getting a little stingy.
Yeah. There's fake queen. It's a drone, I know.
There's young eggs on here, so I wouldn't be surprised if she was on this frame.
I wish we would have marked them before letting them out of their cages. That would have been smart. Is this a Russian queen?
Where's the cage?
Nope, it's an Italian.
I ain't done worry too much. We was mostly checking to make sure she was released by now. And she's been released and been laying, so she's in here. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time out here today because
It's hot.
yeah.
I'm not complaining that it's hot. I'd rather it be hot than cold. Although I kind of wish spring would have lasted for more than 5 minutes.
So this hive is in good shape. They are still starting to get a little flighty.
Oh, it's a concern not that they're coming after you?
I didn't say it was a concern. I just said they're
I know.
flighty.
I'm just being a butt. Look at that line. And we're probably going to have number 19 today because we opened 27 and found a lot of super seizure cells. Pardon me, ladies. Well, they haven't eaten much of their...
They haven't touched their sugar water, but the flow has started. So they might be getting the good, real stuff.
Or they might be weak.
They are weak.
But he is strong.
They're working on cleaning up this old frame. Let me just set that to the side for now. As weak as they are, I hope they release the queen by now.
Looks like they got a swarm still too.
Yeah, the queen's still caged up, so.
Ah.
Where'd you see a swarm cell at? Oh, I see it now. They're about to have a lot of brood hatch out. They want their queen. They're making it hard for me to get in there to let her out.
You ready to hold it?
No.
Is that a Russian or Italian?
I believe it's an Italian.
Yeah, because we put the Russians together. Never mind. Let me take it?
Yeah, grab that cork. If you don't mind.
I don't.
Thank you.
Face it a little this way. Is she coming?
I'm hoping one of them realizes that the end's open and let her know. Come on, bees, let's go down this way. See, there's... Down this way. There's one bee. I don't know if it was the queen or not.